The Boeing F-15X Eagle II is the latest evolution of the legendary F-15 air superiority fighter. Designed as a modernized platform with advanced avionics, radar, weapons systems, and survivability upgrades, the Eagle II builds on over 4 decades of combat-proven capability. Its design reflects both legacy and innovation, preserving the raw power and range of the original F-15 while adapting it to the needs of modern multi-domain battlefields. Powered by 2 General Electric F110K129 engines, each producing 29,000 pounds of thrust, the F-15X can reach speeds exceeding Mach 2.5. It boasts a combat range of over 1,100 nautical miles without refueling, which significantly extends its operational flexibility. This makes the Eagle II ideal for both defensive and offensive missions, including air superiority, strike, suppression of enemy air defenses, and homeland defense. The airframe incorporates strengthened bulkheads, redesigned wing structures, and increased payload capability. With a maximum external ordnance capacity of over 29,000 pounds, the Eagle II can carry more weapons than any other fighter in the U.S. Air Force inventory. This includes up to 12 air-to-air missiles internally and externally mounted, or a combination of air-to-ground munitions such as JDAMs, JSOWs, and the forthcoming hypersonic weapons under testing. One of the most significant upgrades lies in the aircraft's digital backbone. The Eagle II operates with an open mission systems architecture, allowing rapid integration of new hardware and software. This modular design accelerates the adoption of emerging technologies, including advanced sensors, AI-powered mission management, and networked battle management systems. The backbone transforms the F-15EX from a traditional fighter into a data fusion node, capable of linking with fifth-generation assets like the F-35 and B-21. The radar suite is led by the AN/APG-82V1 active electronically scanned array radar. This AESA system delivers long-range search and track capabilities with synthetic aperture imaging, electronic protection, and multi-target engagement. It enables the Eagle II to engage threats at extended ranges in both air-to-air and air-to-ground domains, while resisting electronic warfare and jamming attempts. The Eagle Passive Active Warning and Survivability System, or EPAWSS, equips the aircraft with full-spectrum electronic warfare protection. It automatically detects, identifies, and counters radar and missile threats through electronic attack, deception, and countermeasures. Combined with radar warning receivers, digital jammers, and towed decoys, the system ensures survivability in heavily contested environments. Another key feature is the advanced cockpit system, which replaces traditional analog displays with a large area touchscreen known as the WAD, or Wide Area Display. It provides pilots with a customizable interface for managing radar, weapons, threat information, and data links. The intuitive design reduces pilot workload and increases situational awareness, especially during high-G maneuvering and multi-target engagements. In terms of weapons integration, the F-15X is compatible with the full suite of current and future U.S. and Allied munitions. It is already certified to carry the AIM-120 AMRAAM, AIM-9X Sidewinder, GBU series guided bombs, AGM-158 JASSM, and is being tested with the AGM-183 ARRW hypersonic missile. This makes it the most heavily armed fighter ever produced, capable of fulfilling roles that previously required multiple aircraft. Unlike stealth fighters, which rely on low observable profiles and internal weapons bays, the F-15X leverages raw speed, altitude, sensor reach, and overwhelming firepower. It complements fifth-generation assets by acting as a missile truck, command and control node, and high-speed shooter from beyond visual range. Its ability to loiter longer and carry more ordnance gives it a decisive advantage in complex air campaigns. Logistically, the aircraft benefits from the existing global F-15 support infrastructure. This minimizes maintenance challenges and reduces long-term costs. With over 70% parts commonality with the F-15E Strike Eagle, the F-15X offers ease of transition for aircrews and technicians. Training pipelines, tools, and simulators are already in place, allowing rapid deployment of new aircraft into active squadrons. Production of the F-15X is handled by Boeing at its St. Louis facility, with early batches already delivered to the U.S. Air Force for operational testing. The platform is seen as a critical stopgap solution to replace aging F-15C and D models, many of which are approaching structural fatigue limits after decades of use. The Eagle II gives the Air Force a capable, lethal, and survivable fighter that can bridge the gap to sixth-generation platforms under development. One of the strategic advantages of the F-15X is its adaptability to multi-role combat. It can switch from defensive counter-air missions to long-range strike within a single sortie. With satellite-guided munitions, electronic countermeasures, and networked targeting, the aircraft can respond to rapidly evolving threats across theaters, from Europe to the Indo-Pacific. Its cockpit is also compatible with future augmented reality systems and AI copilots. Boeing is experimenting with cognitive AI tools that assist in decision-making, threat prioritization, and even semi-autonomous target engagement. This positions the Eagle II as a foundation for next-generation human-machine teaming in air combat. The F-15X is also highly exportable. Several allies currently flying F-15 variants, including Israel, Japan, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, are potential customers. Boeing has marketed the X as a low-risk upgrade path that delivers fifth-gen-like capabilities without the political restrictions or costs of stealth platforms. In recent red flag exercises and joint drills, the Eagle II demonstrated the ability to track and destroy targets faster than legacy fighters. Its radar and EPAWSS suite allowed it to survive dense electronic warfare environments and maintain lock-on despite jamming. It also proved effective as a data relay, coordinating strike packages and airborne early warning aircraft in real time. What sets the Eagle II apart is its balance of brute force and smart design. It doesn't try to hide, it dominates. It makes no apology for being visible, fast, and armed to the teeth. Its strength lies in survivability through speed, awareness through sensors, and lethality through weapons volume. It is built to win the fight, not just evade it. Operational commanders view the F-15EX as a high-endurance asset that multiplies the effectiveness of stealth fighters by carrying more missiles, drawing away threats, and delivering precision munitions with pinpoint accuracy. In contested airspace, it's the hammer that follows the scout. In integrated defense, it's the backbone aircraft that delivers payload when others refuel or rearm. The Eagle II also supports multi-domain operations. It can link with naval platforms, ground artillery, and cyber assets via secure data links. Whether in suppression of enemy air defense, maritime strike, or nuclear delivery roles, its systems adapt on the fly to serve the larger mission. In upcoming upgrades, the F-15EX will incorporate enhanced artificial intelligence, additional sensor fusion capabilities, and upgraded communication suites. It will also undergo software block upgrades that improve threat libraries, weapons compatibility, and energy management. Each new batch will receive iterative improvements, keeping the aircraft relevant well into the 2040s. Ultimately, the Boeing F-15X Eagle II stands as the culmination of proven airframe design, modern combat needs, and cutting-edge systems integration. It offers unmatched payload, long-range firepower, and operational flexibility in a platform that requires no reinvention of infrastructure or training. For commanders seeking immediate, overwhelming combat power, the Eagle II delivers. It's not stealth. It doesn't need to be. Its job is to dominate the sky by force, coordination, and capability. It enters battle prepared for high-G dogfights, long-range standoff launches, and everything in between. As other aircraft sneak and scout, the F-15X brings the storm. From its roots in the Cold War to its role in future conflicts, the Eagle lineage continues to fly, and now, it flies farther, faster, and with more firepower than ever before.